So yeah, you join me back in the workshop for one last go. So it will be down onto bosom cam, and hopefully this will be a quick and easy one. I just thought we'll make a simple Christmas ornament. So fingers crossed that we don't lose any, and yeah, hopefully you should be able to guess what it is as we go along. If not, you've probably seen it in the title. So yeah, let's get some turning on the go. You may notice, if you saw the inside out ornament, it is a bit of that. And yeah, so I thought we'd use the leftovers for that. See how we go. See what you can guess. See if you can guess what I'm making. And yeah, let's go from there. So, let's... Oh, turning one on the plug, that would help. Apologies in advance if you hear me sing. Nothing personal, I'm not in pain. Oh wow, that's really square on that end still. I'm hoping that this will fit. It'll fit more securely, you see. Like that. Hang on. You might have noticed I've sharpened the chisel. Have I changed my mind? No, let's go. Let's follow the. Let's follow the. This is it, boss. This is what I'm waiting for. Let's have a look at that. Might be able to sand that out if we start really low. Right, I'm going to hoover up and then I'll be back with you. Obviously you've seen me sand before, so I'm sure this will be sped up. Okay, so I've worked my way through the sanding grits. So we'll put some sanding sealer on. And then we'll finish it off with some finishing paste. Do you know what it is yet? Please say yes. All in the nooks and crannies. So yeah, remember this is, I think it's ash, the white stuff, and then this is coconut. Yeah. All in the nooks and crannies. Leave that to do the drying. So I don't know if you can see, I've still got some product left, and we might be able to get away with making a little carrot nose. So let's get a few layers of this on. I think we can part this off and then we'll look at trying to make a nose. However, I need to check the battery life because I don't think there's much life in this battery. So we'll have to change that as well. So I'll part this off and I'll meet you back when we make the nose. Right, nose. Let's do it. Oh, let's turn that up. I've steamed up now. So what we'll do it like we did the gonk noses, so we'll have a peg on it so we can drill into the snowman and then go from there. Right, let's let's have a look at that. Give it a little sand. I think that'd be, I don't want it to be too big. In the house is our Mr. Snowman. If you haven't guessed already, it's a snowman made from that last leftover bit of wood from the inside out ornament we did, and he's got a massive hole in his face now to accommodate this lovely little Padook carrot. Now I've not been too careful with how I've made it because carrots aren't perfect, and gives a bit of character. So yeah, that's that. We're gonna glue the nose on, and that should be it. I mean, I've made tiny snowmen before, and they've got a little bit of character. That nose is absolutely minute. I think that one looks like Olaf. Is it Olaf? I don't know. But yeah, so yeah, that was a little bit of practice one evening. So that was all good. I've made little Christmas trees. Again, just a bit of fun, if you call it fun, to pass the time. But this was the first ever snowman I made, and I was quite pleased with him. But because he was the first one I ever made, I was too nervous to commit and drill a hole in for the nose. So yeah, so that's that. I'll show you my little timeline. We're bringing out the good old CA glue again. So I've no doubt I'm going to get stuck together. So I'm going to bring you down. This is our, I was going to say Easter. This is our Christmas puzzle. We tend to do a puzzle for Advent on our lead up to Christmas. Can you actually see what I'm doing? There we go. You can't see the nose in that. So, so here we go. We're going to fill the nose hole with a bit of CA glue, like so. And then do that up. I haven't bought anything for wiping, so this should be interesting. Bit of activator on the other end. But what I'm going to do is not stick it on with that hand, because I'll activate. And just stick him in the hole like that. But I need to rush and wipe this off. Quickly, quickly. So all the glue gushed out and went everywhere. So did we get it on the puzzle? We did not. So dropping him everywhere now. Hopefully we can just pick any of that off. But there he is. This is our, do I keep saying ash? I think it's ash. This is our ash and coconut and paduk snowman. Darren's at work currently. So yeah, he's not around to critique. I don't know, oh, it's a bit messy around that nose now. Maybe we shouldn't have put activator on it. I don't know, but yeah, I mean, he's rough around the edges. There's Hampshire sheen stuck in certain bits, and we've got that chip in his peak. But I don't think we've done too badly. I think all in, what is the time? I think all in it's about a 2-hour project. I mean, people who actually know what they're doing probably can bash these out 10 a penny. But yeah, I think that is all we have to say, really. I tried to countersink the hole so it didn't look too much of a sticky outie, but hey, it's all a bit of fun. So yeah, I don't know what this is. It's the sunlight, isn't it, I think. But thank you for watching. We might film an extra bit to see what Darren's reaction is. Not that there's a need for a reaction, but yeah, he's very cute. So yeah, thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow. See what we got. We're probably eating, so yeah, see what we're eating, and yeah, we'll go from there. Bye, love you, bye.